Okay, welcome back, guys. And in the last tutorial, I was saying I was talking about strings. So now, like for example, if we want to, let me say this like this, so we can understand what we're doing here. Okay, and I'm just gonna clean this stuff, and so we initialize a string called, or let me say my word. Okay, my word is equal to, so my word is equals to is equal to result is. Okay, so now what we want to do here is that we want to change this result is to my word. So just change this to my word. So now if you run this again, we're going to, it's the same result we'll get. Result is 4. Okay, result is 4. The 4 is the results from here, and my word contains this. So I'm coming. So this sentence here is still the same sentence with this. Okay, so this sign here you are seeing here, this sign you are seeing here is saying, okay, what you are storing here is a string. Okay, it means what you are storing is a string, and so we are storing a string into my word, and my word type is a string. Okay, you can store a string in int. You can store a string in int. You can store a string in a floating point variable. Okay, so those are the difference in, so it's the same thing as that. So you know why we are putting end line. If you don't know anything, please comment and I will help you with. So if you run the same program, it's going to output the same thing in different lines. Okay, result is 4, result is 4. Okay, so what we are doing here, that we use words here, and we use a variable here. So in this side we use 2 variables. Okay, so let me explain all this stuff here. First, we include string. String is not a fundamental data type. It's a data type that is a compound data type, and not a standard data type. So that's why we need to include this string file, this string header file. Okay, and so we initialize some variables for the calculations, and we initialize a string for the words we want to say, just like result is. Okay, result is, and then we process all this stuff here, and then we calculate it. Okay, let me see, if we change this to like this, we change it to nothing, which is initializing it as 0, and then we now say my word is equal to, okay, results is. Okay, and if we run it, it's still the same thing. Okay, so Okay, now if we want to do something again, now let's do something again by giving it moving it here, saying, so we say result, sorry, my word is equal to its result. Okay, result is okay, so it will still give the same result as before. So if we change my word, so you can change it to result is equal to result of operation is okay, and if you run it, the compiler will choose this one because this is the latest edit or the latest value given to my wall. Okay, if you run it, it's going to say result of operation is 4, and the first one say result is 4. Okay, see, result is 4. Result is equal to, result is the value of result, then value of my wall and value of result, which is result of operation is 4. Okay, so don't get confused, just comment if you don't understand anything. I'm going to explain it more to you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos and comment. So we are going to, let me talk about constant. Constant means what constant means is that we are not going to this variable is not going to be changed. Okay, like if I say I write constant m, not constant num is equal to 5. No, sorry, constant int. Okay, yeah, constant int is equal to 5. So and if I try to change this value of num, it's going to give an error, like saying num is equal to 10. Okay, and if you run this program now, it's going to give you an error saying assigning of read only assignments of read only variable num. So num can never be assigned any number again, as because it is declared as a constant variable. So it's only a read only variable. It can never be assigned a new value. Okay, so it's constant. We can only read the variable num, but we can never write to it or edit it or stuff like that. Okay, it's constant. The value is constant. The this thing is constant. So now, okay, so now yeah, so also let's go down here. This is a string variable, this is a string literal, this is called a string, this is a string here. Anything in this sign here is called a string, but this one is called a variable. Okay, also this is called a string, so it's having a string literal. Okay, so in the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, share my videos. Okay, if you love it,